Hello everyone, hair spray with argan oil moisturizes and protect dry and coarse hair throughout the day. Thanks to this composition, argan oil has complex restorative and caring properties, intensively moisturizes and nourishes hair, making it strong and shiny. Confirm argan treatment hair mist will give smoothness and care to your hair. Two bases of the product is natural argan oil, which perfectly nourishes and cares for dry hair. The product provides maximum comfortable styling and silky hair with regular use. The curls become less strangled, split ends disappear, and the strands acquire natural smoothness and evenness. The weightless texture of the product gently envelops is here and adds noticeable volume to the styling, which is maintained despite the vagaries of the weather. The universal heat protective formula allows you to use the product while styling with a hairdryer or curling iron.